The shoulders, the body parts that can single-handedly make your physique appear a lot wider, and of which is supposedly one of the most attractive parts of the body on a guy. Now, as I was getting into the gym, naturally as any other skinny kid would do, would be to try bulk up as much as possible. And this meant that I just stuck to doing compound lifts, including the usual bench press, deadlift or sumo lift, squats, and then any other body weight exercise. However, there was always something missing in my routine. Up to this point, I just relied on these exercises to grow my shoulders, but after adding in more focused sessions on these particular shoulder exercises into my workouts, I've noticed a massive difference in what is just short of a year, and it's what's made my shoulders wider than ever before. Now, in order to grow our shoulders, we need to understand what it consists of. And to put it simply, it's three muscles that make up the delts. The front delt, the medial delt, and the rear delt. So with this in mind, what exercise can we do to make sure that we hit all three parts of the muscle? Well, outside from one of my favourite exercises being the incline bench press, something I do almost every time I'm in the gym, the first way I like to hit shoulders directly is from the very standard seated dumbbell shoulder press. With this, you're working all three parts of the shoulder as well as the triceps, but it will focus more tension on your front delts. This will be your strongest point, of which you'll feel you can rack up the weight the most. But I like to sit at a comfortable weight just to try keep control of the form, and then I'll slowly do a drop set. I also like to do this with one arm at a time, just to help increase the time under tension, still keeping it as controlled as possible. Then after this, the next exercise I like to do, now over to the cables, are face pulls. This predominantly targets the rear delts, but it also works the rhomboids, which are the muscles that allow you to pinch your shoulder blades together, as well as working the upper back, being the middle traps. For this, I don't like to go too heavy and just focus on getting a tight squeeze while being controlled. And I also sometimes switch between using the rope and the cable handles, as I find that the change of grip for me targets the muscles differently, but realistically both attachments work just fine. Then sticking to the cables, I'll then do what's known as a cable single side lateral raise. Again, using the cable handle, I'll do this very slowly with a light weight, just to help try and increase that time under tension. Here, you're working the medial delt, but I specifically like this as it allows you to focus on one side at a time, which is great especially if you find that one of them is weaker than the other. But going back to the benches, there is no better exercise for getting wider shoulders than the standard dumbbell lateral raise. This is what I absolutely spam in my workouts, to the point I nearly do them every time I go to the gym. These also target your medial, or as in the name, the lateral delts, which is the point of the delt you want to be hitting to get that wider look. I often do them seated, just so I can control the movements more and limits the amount of force coming from my legs or the rest of my body with the momentum. But sometimes I like to play around with the weight, so depending on if I go heavier, I switch around with sitting and standing. You may also notice I'm using straps, which I like to use for this to really keep my wrists in place, just to help keep my form consistent. With this, I'll also do a drop set, just to really try kill them off. And finally, another exercise I like to add into my workout is the standing wide grip upright row. I like to do this with the easy bar for better grip, and I find that this really does finish off my lateral delts while also working the middle traps. And so, by the end of all of this, I struggle to put my arms up properly. But with one final step to getting the overall wider look is to do some cardio. Ever since I've lowered my body fat from my upper body, especially around my arms, while my shoulders haven't got massively bigger since losing weight, they've naturally appeared more wider, just from being able to see the muscle insertions more clearly, separating the delts more than ever from the rest of my body.